I'm going to be going over the top 10 mysteries in the universe. Watch to the end to find out a mystery you didn't know. Time travel is the hypothetical ability to travel through time. It is a popular topic in science fiction, but it is also a serious scientific question. There is no scientific evidence to support the possibility of time travel. However, some physicists believe that it could be possible under certain conditions. For example, it is possible that time travel could be achieved by traveling faster than the speed of light, or by creating a wormhole. The possibility of time travel is a fascinating and mind-bending idea. It raises the possibility of changing the past or the future. It also raises the question of what would happen if we could travel back in time and meet our own past selves. Parallel universes are hypothetical universes that exist alongside our own. They are thought to be separated from our universe by a barrier that prevents us from interacting with them. There is no scientific evidence to support the existence of parallel universes. However, some physicists believe that they are a mathematical necessity and that they could exist in the multiverse, which is a hypothetical collection of multiple universes. The existence of parallel universes is a fascinating idea. It raises the possibility that there are other versions of ourselves out there, living in other universes. It also raises the question of what would happen if we could somehow interact with these parallel universes. The consciousness of the universe is another mystery that has puzzled scientists for centuries. Is the universe conscious? Or is it just a collection of inanimate objects? There is no scientific evidence to support the idea that the universe is conscious. However, some people believe that the universe is a living being and that all of its parts are interconnected. They point to the fact that the universe is constantly evolving and changing, and that it seems to be self-organizing. The consciousness of the universe is a fascinating and thought-provoking idea. It is a reminder that we still have much to learn about the universe, and that there are many mysteries that remain unsolved. There are many theories about how life began on Earth. One theory is that life arose from non-living matter, such as organic molecules, in a process called abiogenesis. Another theory is that life was brought to Earth from another planet, such as Mars. There is evidence to support both theories. For example, scientists have found organic molecules in meteorites, which suggests that they could have been brought to Earth from space. However, scientists have also found evidence that abiogenesis could have occurred on Earth, such as the presence of hydrothermal vents, which could have provided the right conditions for life to arise. The origin of life is a complex and fascinating mystery. Scientists are still working to piece together the puzzle, and it is likely that we will not know for sure how life began until we have a better understanding of the early Earth and the conditions that existed at the time. Black holes are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They are formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. Black holes are a mystery to scientists. We don't know what happens inside a black hole, or what the singularity at the center of a black hole is. We also don't know if black holes can evaporate, or if they can merge with each other. Black holes are one of the most fascinating objects in the universe. They are a challenge to our understanding of gravity and space-time, and they continue to puzzle scientists. The fate of the universe is one of the most important questions in cosmology. There are three main possibilities. The universe will keep expanding forever. This is the most likely outcome, according to current models. The universe will eventually stop expanding and start contracting. This could happen if the amount of dark energy in the universe decreases over time. The universe will collapse in on itself in a big crunch. This is less likely, but it is still a possibility. The fate of the universe will depend on the values of several cosmological parameters, such as the amount of dark matter and dark energy in the universe. Scientists are still trying to measure these parameters accurately, and the fate of the universe remains a mystery. The Big Bang is the prevailing cosmological model for the universe. It states that the universe was once in an extremely hot and dense state, and that it has been expanding and cooling ever since. The Big Bang theory is supported by a wide range of evidence, including the cosmic microwave background radiation, the abundance of light elements in the universe, and the redshift of distant galaxies. However, there are still some unanswered questions about the Big Bang. For example, we don't know what caused the Big Bang or what happened before it. We also don't know what the ultimate fate of the universe will be. The Big Bang Theory is a work in progress, and scientists are constantly learning more about it. It is one of the most important and well-supported theories in science, and it has helped us to understand the origin and evolution of the universe. The Fermi Paradox is the apparent contradiction between the high probability of the existence of extraterrestrial civilizations and the lack of evidence for, or contact with, such civilizations. The universe is vast and old, and there are billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars. It is estimated that there could be trillions of planets in the universe that could potentially support life. So why haven't we found any evidence of extraterrestrial life? There are a number of possible explanations for the Fermi Paradox. One possibility is that intelligent life is rare. Another possibility is that intelligent life is short-lived, or that it destroys itself before it can reach other stars. It is also possible that we are simply looking in the wrong places, or that our technology is not yet advanced enough to detect extraterrestrial life. The Fermi Paradox is a fascinating mystery that has no easy answer. It is a reminder of how little we know about the universe and how much there is still to learn. Dark matter and dark energy are two mysterious substances that make up most of the universe. Dark matter makes up about 85% of the matter in the universe, and dark energy makes up about 70% of the energy in the universe. However, we don't know what either of them are or how they work. Dark matter is thought to be made up of weakly interacting massive particles, WIMPs, but no WIMPs have ever been detected. Dark energy is thought to be a repulsive force that is causing the expansion of the universe to accelerate. However, we don't know what this force is or how it works. The existence of dark matter and dark energy is inferred from their gravitational effects on visible matter. For example, galaxies rotate faster than they should if they were made up of only visible matter. This suggests that there is more matter present than we can see, and that this invisible matter is making up the difference. The meaning of life is one of the most fundamental questions that humans have asked themselves for centuries. What is the purpose of our existence? Why are we here? There is no one answer to the question of the meaning of life. It is a question that each individual must answer for themselves. Some people find meaning in their religion, while others find it in their relationships, their work, or their hobbies. The meaning of life is a personal journey. There is no right or wrong answer, and it is a question that we will continue to ask ourselves for as long as we exist. Make sure to comment down below. What was your favorite mystery?